Hey guys, November 6th, it's getting a little cold. In fact, it was snowing this morning, and I got the chainsaw bike out for a rip. I built actually this chainsaw bike this summer, but haven't really had time to shoot videos on it. It's the same chainsaw that you guys saw on the chainsaw scooter, but I put it on a bike now. I'll run over some of the stuff I did here. As you guys can see, this bike used to have a pipe coming right down the middle here, and that's what actually gave you your support. So what I had to do is cut that out to make room for the chainsaw, obviously. And I just put a little pipe here, and underneath, if you can see, welded a piece underneath, and my little pegs coming off for my board for my chainsaw to rest on. And not to mention the pegs for your feet, because everyone needs those, right? And cut off the pedals, as you can see here. And let's flip it around for you guys. And there's the chain driven. Surprisingly enough though, guys, this chain ratio is still not enough. It's still, you know, you gotta run to get her going, and she don't like to go up hills very well. So just for future, if you guys make these things, that make sure you guys, your chain ratio is a lot better. I think this rock right here, make sure it's just so much smaller, because obviously I welded it on there. It's gonna be hard to get off now, but yep. So let's try starting this thing up. Like I said, it's cold out. It's probably like 40 degrees, but we'll see how she goes. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention the throttle right here, which is actually pretty nice, kind of like a real dirt bike. It's kind of connected to the old gear thing. But yeah, here we go. Oop. No more gas. Oh. Shoot. Cold day out, cold day out. It's tough on a cold start. And that's the video for you guys. Subscribe, please subscribe. I'm Ben Sam.